Welcome to Washburn Tech Healthcare Technology Program. This video will help you get started on the important tasks that must be completed so that you will be eligible to participate in the CNA clinicals. You should have received a packet of information from the admissions office. This packet contains several forms that you must sign and bring the first day of class. You are required to have a physical exam and a record of current vaccinations, specifically the TB skin test, Tdap, and the flu vaccine. You may contact your regular healthcare provider, or, since you are now a Washburn Tech student, you can call Student Health Services on the Washburn University campus, 785-670-1470. When you make the appointment, be sure and tell them you're a Washburn Tech student and give them your WIN number, which is your student identification number that you received when you were accepted at Washburn Tech. The first day of class, be sure to bring a copy of your photo ID, such as your driver's license. If you don't have a driver's license, a state-issued ID card will suffice. Also bring a copy of your Social Security card. You will need to bring the signed copies of all the forms found in the packet. The forms to be signed include the student information sheet, the liability form, the transportation form, an acknowledgement of the technical standards, and a confidentiality agreement. Verified credentials. We also call this VC. Let's walk through the first few steps to create your account. Go to the website scholar.verifiedcredentials.com/Washburn. You will enter this code, which is specific to our program. Capital D, capital D, capital K, capital V, capital X, 36896. Note, there is a fee to create this account, and you will need to either have a credit card or a PayPal account. If this is a problem for you, please ask your parent or guardian or your high school counselor for help. Here is a screenshot where you will enter the code capital D, capital K, capital V, capital X, 36896. Then click Get Started. Enter your personal information. Use your home mailing address and your own cell phone number. Next, create your own username and password. Be sure to write it down somewhere that you can find it because you will need to log into VC each time you update your records. Of course, you should always read these agreements. When you've read it, click the box indicating that you agree to the terms of use, and from here, you're just going to keep following the instructions on the screen to complete your account. You will also need to purchase your uniform, which is a Caribbean blue smock and black pants. You can get a good deal on these at Similar Mode in Topeka. Call 785-253-0361 and tell them you're a Washburn Tech student. You will wear these scrubs when you are in clinicals, and you may wear tennis shoes with the scrubs. Clinicals is an opportunity for you to demonstrate mastery of the skills that you're learning in the CNA class. The dress code means that you need to wear your scrubs and the tennis shoes. The code of conduct means that you need to act like a professional. If we are able to do clinicals in a long-term care facility, there may be some requirements for COVID testing and vaccines. If this is the case, your instructor will notify you. The clinicals are scheduled by your instructor and will only take place during your regular class time. You will be expected to comply with the HIPAA regulations, which govern confidentiality of patient information. To help keep you safe in the classroom, we require that everyone wears a mask covering both the mouth and the nose. You will sanitize your desk and your seat. We are keeping the desks at least 6 feet apart. And if you ever experience symptoms, of course, stay home. We ask students to report their symptoms to the Student Health Services Office, 785-670-1470. Also notify your instructor by email. It is important to let your instructor know if you will be absent. As a reminder, classes start January 11th. Start now to set up your Verified Credentials account, make an appointment to get your physical and your immunizations. Get a copy of your photo ID, a copy of your Social Security card, sign all those forms, and turn them all in the first day of class. Remember, these requirements are mandated by KDADS, so we cannot let you start clinicals if you do not complete these tasks. For more information about being a Washburn Tech student, work through the new Student Orientation Program. It's online. Here's the website, d2l.washburn.edu/d2l login. Good luck with your studies.